We're showing you how to fix the search issue in the Corrector AI application. For that, the process is very simple and easy. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe button, and share the video as much as you guys can. So let's dive right into it. So what you have to do is to simply go to the Play Store first and make sure that your app is up to date. After that, what you have to see is that your mobile phone has enough RAM to support this application. So if everything seems good, what you have to do is to go to the storage, and in the storage go to the cache and clear the cache. And after that, if the issue still persists, what you have to do is to clear all the data. That will fix up the issue. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.